My name's Marietta Mahoney, and this week's Aqua tip, we're going to be jogging with 2 dumbbells, and I have an arm challenge for you. So check this out. We're going to jog forwards, side, back, twice. All right, let's have a look. Front, side, back, back, front, side, back, back. Yeah, that's hard work for the upper body, which is really good. That's what I want. You know, one of the things that we've got to think about with our older adults is how important they are able to maintain their muscle mass. And it means working at a level that's quite challenging. So what am I doing? I'm pushing forwards, I'm pushing to the side, then I turn the dumbbell on its end and I'm pushing back, right? It doesn't make any sense to do this. That's weird, that's not comfortable. You've got to flip the dumbbell around. But you can also do it with the dumbbell in vertical the whole way through it. Front, side, back for 2. Front, side, back for 2. So challenging to try and keep the arms moving at the same pace to the back and try to get the arms to fully extend. Yeah, because what you want to watch for is this. So people not taking their arms back, back. Oh, wow. It's a really good upper body workout, and you've got that cardiovascular aspect to it, which is awesome, because with a lot of exercises that we do in the pool is that we tend to stay very stationary to do upper body exercises, and that decreases heart rate, right? Which is, it's beneficial, but it decreases heart rate, and depending on the temperature of your pool, it can be uncomfortable and unpleasant to not move much at all. So I really like doing jogging activities or exercises where you can use the arms in the front, side, back, down sort of motion, which that was really, really challenging on my upper body. So a couple of options. You can go front, side, and you can push down. So option 1 could be this. Front, side, push down, front, side. That's actually quite easy. It doesn't take a lot of effort to push it down. And then your next level, front, side, turn the dumbbell on its side and push back. And then your final level is keep the dumbbell in vertical the whole time and under the water. And under the water, that's the key. Lift the knees up high, bouncing on your toes so that you can maintain that momentum with the lower body. And it's also a bigger movement with the lower body, which helps you keep the timing with your arms. Look, there's lots of different ways that you can do that particular activity. Choose the level that's appropriate for your participants and then give them something that they've got to reach for. And that's this week's Aqua tip. Demonstrating the jogging action with the dumbbells on land is not a challenging demonstration to do. But remember that when I was in the pool, I demonstrated 2 options. So option 1 was front, side, push down twice, front, side, push down twice. Now it's important that when you're demonstrating any type of jogging pattern on land that you indicate to your participants how you want them to jog. Now the latest thing that I've been using as a cueing way in the pool is I've been asking my participants to have a lighter touch off the bottom of the pool, in that they're springing off the bottom of the pool and having a lighter landing, and it's been really effective because I want them to lift their knees up high, so to get to at least hip height, and to literally spring off their toes. So there's a lot of rebound. They're using the water's buoyancy, they're using their natural elasticity in their body. It's helping improve their agility and their quickness. That's why I do this, and it doesn't matter what age group that you're talking about. But telling them to land lightly has been really, really effective, and that might be a cue that you would like to use. So the first option was front, side, push down twice, and you know from when I demonstrated in the pool that this was not as challenging an exercise. The The bit that you need to be careful of when you're demonstrating this on land is when you show option 2, which is front, side, kick, back. Front, side, kick, back. Now, when we're doing the kick back in the water, the dumbbell just goes back behind the body slightly, right? So the elbows are uplifted. So try not to lift your arms up too high as an instructor. And the other thing too is make sure you're not doing this. Front, side, front, side, where the arms go back and forwards, but you're not getting that extension. And this becomes really important. I also cue, bring the dumbbells all the way into your body, and when your dumbbells are to the back, make sure that you are bending and lengthening the elbows. So you've got to make sure you fully lengthen out the arms. Feel that dumbbell move further away from your shoulder and bring it back in. Find different ways to cue that, because as you spot people around the pool, you'll see them all moving a little bit differently. And the most common error is this pulling up and down action without actually extending the arms. And that's why it probably is better to go front, side, push down to start with, and then if they feel comfortable with that, they can start pressing back rather than pushing straight down. It's an interesting exercise because it is very challenging. The dumbbells can make it really challenging in the pool to do that movement pattern. An alternative would be to not use the dumbbells, but that's up to you. You know, it's a great way to introduce cardio into a strength-based exercise, and that is this week's Aqua tip.